I know, I look different. I've got my glasses on. I ran out of my contacts. I wasn't paying attention. And when I went to the box to get my contacts, they were all out. So I had to resort to wearing these glasses. They're a little big on me. And I hope that the glare from the ring light and the side lights aren't too distracting. Sorry. Anyway, I'm super excited because I am doing a video that I haven't been able to do in the past. I've never had the opportunity of reviewing a fragrance that hasn't even been released yet. And so I'm super, super excited to share this particular fragrance with you. If you're curious, then keep watching. Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Sasha. This is Sasha Scents. On this channel, I do fragrance reviews. So if you enjoy that type of content, I really do hope you'll take a minute to subscribe. I'd love to have you as part of this fragrance family. And so without further ado, let's talk about this fragrance that I got. It is by the house of Bon Parfumier. It is called Iris Cartegena. This is number 502. It is part of their gourmand fragrance line. Now they number their fragrances like under the fruity, ambers, specialties. So this is really very well done. And I love that they added a new gourmand. And when I say gourmand, this is just a fabulous, fabulous fragrance. Normally this would have cellophane on it. But the moment the box came, I ripped it open, tore the cellophane off because I was so curious about this fragrance that I thought to myself, oh no, I should have done an unboxing and I didn't, and I apologize. So just, imagine the cellophane is on there and we're taking it off right now. And this is what the box looks like. If you turn it around, it features the three main notes, which is the iris, cacao, and papyrus. So a really nice combination of notes. Now there are other notes to this, but these are the ones that really stand out. This is what this fragrance is focused on. So when you take the little box out of the black box, you've got this nice white box. It says Bon Parfumier, and then you turn it over and there's the address of where they're located. Just really well done. And when you open it, there is this gorgeous dark gray bottle that still has visibility, so you can see the fragrance through the bottle, which is really, really nice. Nice white label with the number 502 in gold. Just very, very well done. It is the Extrait de Parfum, which is the strongest concentration of perfume. And let me just tell you, I don't use the word beast mode very often. If I look back at my videos, I don't think I hardly ever use that because a lot of the fragrances I have in my collection are not beast mode. This is beast mode. I'm shocked because I always hear other fragrance reviewers talking about how they have a beast mode fragrance that lasts hours and hours till the next day. And I'm like, yeah, right. I was really surprised. I sprayed this on like 2 in the afternoon and it was all night. And the next morning when I woke up, I could still smell it at 9 in the morning. I've never had that experience with a fragrance before. I have kind of drier skin. And so fragrances have a tendency to disappear very quickly on me. So this was a pleasant surprise. This definitely projects. It is going to project. It's going to create this bubble around you. And people are going to notice this. It is a unisex fragrance. And I love the sprayer. Really nice. When you first smell this fragrance and spray it, I'll be very honest with you, it leans more on the masculine side. So when I first sprayed it, I was like, oh, I'm going to have to give this to my husband. It leans a little masculine. But what happens, something magical happens as it warms up on your skin. This is where that slight sweetness comes in and it just blends so beautifully with your skin that it goes right down the middle. It's very neutral, perfect for men, women. I was pleasantly surprised. I love wearing this one. I think it's a unique fragrance. It has a great intensity to it. And I see this one definitely for going out in the evening. If you want to dress up, whether you're a guy and you want to put a tux on and spray this, oh my gosh, lovely. A woman, beautiful dress on, jewelry, and you're going out. Fabulous. It also makes a really nice signature scent. I would say if you're going to wear this one as a signature scent, do it more in the cooler months, maybe the fall, winter, and then early spring. I think if you live in a very humid, dry, hot place, it might be a little too much. But let me tell you, like I said, the longevity in this is absolutely phenomenal. It smells really nice. I'm pleasantly surprised. I have several of their fragrances. I think I have like 9 now, and this is definitely the strongest one out of the whole bunch that I have. And it is very unique. And if you enjoy cacao, you'll like this one a lot. It's kind of that dried, powdery chocolate, and then a gorgeous iris with the papyrus. It's just a unique, long-lasting, gorgeous fragrance that will get you the compliments. I've worn it a few times, and when people have come in to give me a hug, they're like, oh, it lingers on their clothes. And they say, oh, I could smell you when I got home, and it smells great. What is that? So really nice. I'm going to put a link to their website in the description box so you can check it out. Keep your eyes open. It is coming in a couple of weeks in October. I think you're going to just fall for this one, especially if you want something beast mode. I am finally happy to say I have a beast mode fragrance in my collection. And again, this one was the number 502 Iris Cartegena by Bon Parfumeur, the Extrait de Parfum. Beautiful. Highly recommend. Check it out for yourself. I just love it. Anyway, I'll see you guys again real soon. Thank you so much for taking time out of your busy day to watch this video. Take care.